Welcome to course. Skill 1 of Managerial Development Program is Empathy. Let's first discuss about what is empathy. Empathy is the ability to perceive and relate to the thoughts, emotions, or experience of others. It is the capacity of comprehending what other person is experiencing from his/her perspective. Empathy is our ability to see the world from the perspective of others. It is one of the most crucial tools in our business toolbox. Empathy is more than simple sympathy, which is being able to understand and support others with compassion or sensitivity. Those with high levels of empathy are skilled at understanding a situation from another person's perspective and reacting with compassion. Why is empathy important? It increases employee productivity. It enhances job performance. It increases morale of the team. It increases employee loyalty and credibility. There are other benefits of empathy which are: incorporating empathy as a working belief increases sales, loyalty, and referrals. Empathy gives you an edge over others. It gives you greater competitive advantage and market value. Let us now learn how to practice empathy. Empathy can be learned. Let us take a look at some tips on how you can practice empathy. Firstly, start talking about empathy. Let your subordinates know that empathy matters. 2. Giving time and attention to others fosters empathy, which in turn enhances your performance and improves your perceived effectiveness. 3. Improve your listening skills. Practice active listening and teach it to your team as well. When you become a good listener, people feel respected and the trust grows. 4. Master the art of asking relevant questions. 5. Avoid making assumptions. 6. Cultivate compassion. Remember to genuinely value people's feelings. Let's discuss one example to understand this concept better. Steve is an employee working in an organization. One day, he met with a road accident while on his way to work. His phone stopped working and hence, he couldn't inform the team that he would be late. Adam, the manager, instead of pouncing upon Steve and throwing questions at him, he asked empathetically, "Are you all right, Steve? Can we do anything to make your day better?" Here, Adam understood the situation and showed compassion and empathy.